Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, application has been blocked from accessing graphics hardware error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first one is simply search for device manager, open device manager, expand the list for display adapters, make sure that it is at the latest version, so update the drivers. Okay, this is step number one. Now we come to the main step, step number two. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to system on the list on the left hand side, select display in the right pane, and then you can scroll down and select graphics. Now there's a list of apps here. Let's say this was a problematic app. Let's say the Netflix app was a problematic app. So its GPU preferences let Windows decide. You need to set it to high performance. Okay, that's it. Close it and try accessing it again if it works or not. If it still doesn't work, it means that the graphics card or the graphics compatibility does not align with that specific software. Maybe you need a graphics card of a higher configuration. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.